Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with full LED headlights, you get 18-inch alloy wheels, a black roof, tinted rear windows. There's also front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. There's the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's some nice safety features with this car, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. This car's got a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 18,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.